Today we're going to be putting the rear end in. We're going to put the a new panhard bar in, relocation bracket, brand new shocks, and we'll get back to you when we get it all in. And if there's anything out of the ordinary, we'll tell you about it.
Yeah, Steve.
We finished the rear end except for the brakes. Sorry we didn't tape everything, but we'll get to that. We're putting all this back together, the new clutch, flywheel, everything. We're getting ready to put it in. We're doing our checks, and one of the things we came up with was we're going a little deep when we put the push rods in. When we adjust, tighten the rocker arms down, we're going too deep into the lifter. So we've decided to change those from 7,400 to 7,350, which will keep it right where the recommendation is, which is 80 thousandths into the lifter. So that's what we're doing now, and then we'll get back to you on the rest. Nick will take care of some stuff, and he's going to show you what we did the rear end, and this is what we're going to do with the engine. Now we're just going to put the new 7,350s. We'll show this on the end when we're done. I'll show you the comparison of the two, and so we'll talk to you again later today.
Yeah, well, and as everyone can see, we've mated the trans up, headers are on, fuel, all that stuff's done. I think we showed all that. Sorry, Moose. And then I'll show you guys the rear end real quick. Hang on, Dave. There's a nice rear end up in the car. And yeah. Okay, so, right, Dave? Hopefully we adjust these push rods real quick, and everything's dialed, and then we can film putting this thing back in the car today.
Yeah, we're actually gonna have it under there. We hope to have it bolted up. If we don't, we will definitely be bolting it tomorrow. So either way, it's going to happen this week.
We're doing it today. Okay. Bye, Dave.
Bye. That's pretty good.
I'm going to turn it off.
All right.
I've been taking Balanced Nature for at least 5 years. I'll work all.
It's on.
Right. You want to tell them what we've done already?
All right. We kind of forgot to start filming again, but as you can see, we got the engine back under here. We got the car jacked up. It's very scary right now. And Dave thinks we have it lined up. You ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay, we're gonna start coming down.
Yeah, I'm gonna come up on this jack,
Yep.
this floor hoist. You're gonna bring that down.
Can I wait? Should I straighten this back out too? Obviously.
Yeah. There you go. So you start letting it down slow.
Okay.
If you've ever done anything slow, it better be now.
I know. Oh Jesus.
You're good.
Okay, it's coming real slow, dude.
That's good. We can wait.
Look, it's coming down. I mean, the floor jack moved by
They're
itself.
moving, but just like they should.
Yep.
I'm just watching these rubber pieces.
Okay, moved again.
Hold it. Okay, right there. Not shit. Stop.
Yep,
Stop.
I did.
Okay. I'm gonna raise this up a little.
Okay.
You can get these back in. Okay, that one's still up.
Up there, perfect.
Well, yeah, but I don't know if it's gonna hit. I think it's gonna be okay. Ready? I'm gonna go
Yeah.
up.
Okay.
Okay, gotta go over there and move that one. I'll do it. You maintain this. Hit that button, just bump it. Up, just a bump. Another one. Stop. All right.
We gotta get that.
Oh, you know, you're gonna work this.
Yep, engine harness though.
Pardon?
We're gonna move that engine harness a little bit, I think.
A little. I'll get that.
Okay.
In a
Do we need
minute.
to come back?
Yeah, but the car's coming
Car's
forward.
coming forward, so we should just.
So I'm down here watching to make sure.
Okay.
Because we got the steering column.
Yeah. Ready?
Wait.
I'm waiting.
There, is that out of the way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try to pull it a little more, can you? Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
Good?
Yeah. We can watch the dipstick too.
Pardon?
We're gonna watch the dipstick
Oh,
too.
shit. Pull the dipstick out.
We can't now. We
Oh,
already...
okay. Go ahead. Start coming down a little. We have 2 feet to come down.
Okay.
You guys are all shook up. We are.
I guess that's not a good spot for it. Here, let me readjust this real quick.
All right, we're back. We dropped the camera. So, mosey on down, bro. I'm gonna watch that dipstick too. This side's really good too. I think I got it overly killed.
Good.
So I'll move it over.
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah, the dipstick too.
That will get caught for sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Start going down a little.
Going.
There, good. Perfect.
Alright. Okay. I'm gonna start going again.
Slow.
Yeah, I gotta stop that.
You're doing good.
Doing good?
Yeah, I see that the tranny's gonna move over just a little. I'll push
Okay,
that over
you
in
wanna
just
do
a few,
that?
in a
You
few
want me to
minutes.
come down?
Yes.
Too much. Way too fast. Sorry.
It's all right. You're in control of it.
I
so-
know, it's just hard.
There, I know, that's perfect right there. Just remember which way it goes to stop.
Yep.
I'd much rather have it do it this fucking slow.
Which way it goes to stop?
Huh?
You want me to just crank it? Oh. I'm gonna stop it.
Fine.
Let something just.
No, this was me.
Oh no, when we're back on the stance.
Yes, we're
now.
back on the stance. So I'm not worried about that. I'm gonna actually raise that up in a few minutes,
Okay.
as soon as we get a little closer.
Alright.
Actually, let me try that and see what happens.
Let's make sure we get.
I'd like to get them back on the ground. Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
Keep an eye on that.
What am I keeping an eye on?
Engine, make sure, because the front end's gonna come down.
Okay.
It's gonna come forward and down.
Okay. Yep. Yep. Trying to come real forward.
Okay, so it's, okay.
Okay. Yeah, I know.
Good. So, I'm gonna push this over a little, because it's gotta go, right?
Yeah.
There,
Yeah.
okay. So let yours down. Slowly. And we're definitely not in a hurry.
Okay. Real slow.
Yeah, so,
Tell me when to stop. I'm stopping.
stop. So here's the problem we're gonna have.
Okay.
Will this allow it to come down far enough?
Will what?
This
Yeah.
allow it to come down far enough to hook these in?
Yes, for sure. I agree. That's gonna be an issue.
Yeah, well, we'll find out in a few minutes. If it doesn't, then we'll block it. We'll raise it up and pull these out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we should be able to pull them out without
Well, yeah, because eventually, it's, I mean, it's gonna sit on the back tire.
Yeah.
So, go ahead and let it down.
Coming down.
Yep.
Good.
Keep going.
Okay.
You looking on that side?
Yeah. Yeah, we're clear on everything over here.
Okay.
Coming down.
Yep.
Okay, the jack just tried to shift.
What?
You know, this one shifted a little bit.
Yeah, it should. It should
Yeah.
follow the weight. Because now we're on this jack altogether. There should be
Altogether?
almost no weight on that.
Yep.
Is there?
Yep.
Okay. So you know the lock's over there on that side?
Yes.
Can you? They gotta raise that.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna go down with this now. Good?
Yep.
Let's watch it to make sure it goes over the hump. Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, look inside.
I'm
Engine
looking.
compartment.
Yeah.
Clear?
Hang on, hang on. I'm actually building pressure back on the jack again.
Yep, you should.
Okay. Yeah, we're clear still.
Your side? Passenger side?
Yeah. Okay, I think the engine gotta go back. Oh, I don't know. You come.
Yeah, we're gonna have to push the engine back some more
Okay.
in a few minutes.
I-
You got a hold of that side?
What?
The engine?
What do you mean?
To push it back?
Yeah.
Okay, push it back.
Okay. What do you think? Your way?
Yeah, hang on.
Yeah.
We catching on anything?
We're not. Hang on. I want to come pull your to the driver's side a little bit. Just a smidge.
You do wanna do what?
I want you to pull it towards the driver's side just a little bit.
Okay,
Okay.
there.
That's good. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Don't. Yeah, we're good.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, no, I want that down here.
You want it down there?
Yes. Otherwise, it's not gonna go down.
Okay.
It goes right here.
Gotcha.
That's what I'm down here watching.
Okay.
So.
This
are
should
you
wanna-
It's all on you, right? Up
This
there?
thing should want to pull in right now, right?
Yeah, let it.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we're coming off this. Now, yours.
You want me to come down, Mike?
Yeah, slowly.
Too much. Too fast. Okay. You good?
Yeah, we're all good still.
Coming down.
Yeah. You watching the passenger side?
Like as best as I can.
Okay.
Yeah, we seem. Yeah, we're good. It's close, but we're
Yeah,
good.
it's, cause the engine's still gotta go back,
Okay.
about 4 or 5 inches,
Okay.
so.
Maybe we should do that now then, no?
Um,
What do you think?
I think we're okay, just go down some more. Trying to get some of them close. And then I can move it to where it needs to go.
Okay. Stopping. Yeah,
Good?
no, we're good over here.
Good over here.
It's definitely close over on the other side than it is.
Yeah, this is, you know, it's still too far to get it lined up.
Yeah. What's going on? Is that you?
No, I did.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, coming back down. good?
Hang on just a second.
What?
Alright. All down. Okay, now I'm gonna come down on this jack again.
Why are we back on that now?
Yeah. Ready?
Yep. I got tons of pressure on here still. So.
Yeah, I know.
Hold on, Dave. Okay.
We're
Okay.
off this.
Yeah. I need to, for sure, I need to come towards the driver's side of the car now.
Ready?
Yep. Okay.
Is that about right?
It's about right. You want to come back? We gotta come
Just
back.
gotta go back about 4 inches.
Yep.
Mine's just about right.
Can you come over here?
Yeah, yours is gonna have to.
Mine's all, I'm in the
You're gonna
engine.
have to push. So
Hang on, I'm gonna try.
if you push the tranny,
Yes.
yeah, it'll move it back.
Okay. Can you pull the tranny?
I can't reach under there that far. There, it's moving. Just see if you can let it down some more.
Okay. I'm a little, yeah, we're good. Oh shit, sorry. Fuck. You okay?
Yeah, stop for a second. What is this not going down? Why is this not going down?
Is it on the last one?
You know that rubber block over there inside this jack?
The rubber.
This
Yeah,
piece?
those things,
Yeah,
yeah.
pull that one out.
On this side you're talking about, right?
Yep. Just the front one.
Can't.
Why?
Too much pressure on it.
Let me go down some more. See if it'll go down.
Okay.
Is it going down?
No.
Push it down.
Pushing.
Is it going down?
Yeah. Okay. And, oh, it's,
Is it good?
hang on, yeah, it's out.
Okay. You can now go back up front.
Okay.
We're like, shit, 5 inches away.
Okay. I think we need to come your way a little bit more.
Yeah, no,
No?
no. Just go down about 3 more inches.
I'll put my hand in here.
Don't be putting your hand.
I know. Well, okay, hang on.
Tell me what's going on.
The mount where you're gonna screw the bolt into for the thing
Yeah?
is literally rubbing the header right now.
Right. Oh, those headers.
You know, I know it's gonna be fucking tight, but I'm just saying, we're fine. It's gonna go. It's
Well,
gonna
then
rub.
you need to let it. There. How's that? Better?
Yeah, that's way better.
Okay, let it down.
I think. Yeah, that's good.
Remember, you can swing the car a little too if you
Yeah. And I want to see what the camera looks like real quick, Dave.
want. Okay.
Okay. I know.
Got that.
Okay. So what? I'm gonna come down. Is that what's gonna
Yeah,
happen?
you're gonna, hang on, not yet.
Yep.
All right, so. Can't do that there. Do this one. All right, so, that one no. All right, so let her down a little.
Good.
Yeah, I'm good. So I need to move the car.
this way and back just a little on the engine right there. Now I know that probably turned it away over there, but I got to push it, the car towards me. So go down. Yeah, we got 4 or 5 inches still. So go ahead and go down.
Hold on. Okay, coming down.
Yeah, you're coming down. You're doing good. How you doing on that side?
Looks good.
Okay, because I'm about ready to pull it to my side. You got 3 inches to go.
Okay. Steering's good.
Yep.
Okay.
Still coming down?
I think we're sitting on the brakes.
The what?
No?
Not
No,
setting
we're
up.
still tight. Okay, how are you? You want to adjust right
Go-
now?
Yeah, let me just see what I can
tightened
do.
it up, so
What?
I tightened there it's up, so
Yeah, we're just about right. Are we? How are we over there?
I feel like we're sitting on something, Chief.
Well, it feels like it too. See, it's moving a little. Should
Okay.
come down. Are we down all the way on the hoist? No, we're not.
No.
Good.
Okay, you ready then?
So, I wonder what the tranny's like.
Can you see?
No,
Can't see the transmission, huh?
no,
Is that
but
what
it
we're
should
on?
be okay. If
Can I look in the car or should we not open the door?
well, we can open the door. See if it's fairly close.
No, that's what we're getting.
Okay.
Just look.
Here, can you move it?
Hold on, I gotta back up.
Okay. What are we hitting?
Fucking on the side of it.
Okay. Raise it up a little. I'll go in there.
Yeah, that should be enough. That's what happened.
I see it catches the edge. Caught the edge of the shifter.
Yep.
Okay, that's perfect. Well, now it's got to go back.
The engine does?
Yeah, hang on. I want to look at it from here. Yeah, we got to go back about an inch. The engine.
Okay.
Oh. Can you push on your side
Yeah.
without?
How's that?
There.
More on my side or your
Well,
side's
my
good?
side's really close.
Okay.
So I'm going to go look at the tranny one more time.
Okay.
Yeah, we're good. So, start to go down a little.
Can you come look at this side?
Yep. All right, so you gotta go back about an inch on this.
Back, right?
Yeah, which start letting it down.
Okay.
I mean, it's fucking close. Hang on, stop.
Okay, I'm not doing anything. Hey, Dave, see what?
Yeah.
What?
What?
Just real quick,
Yep.
let's, you gonna come back up here?
Well, what do you need?
I wanna start, why don't we, just start putting the wire harness a little bit where it's supposed to be before we start crushing stuff at the top up here.
Yep. So this one goes over here.
That's all I'm saying.
That's a good idea. All right, we got plenty of room
Okay.
right there. Okay?
How are those sensors in the back? Can you feel them?
Yeah. We, what's this? Oh, this is the wiring harness. Right there. Okay. We're good right there because another inch or two when it goes down,
Yeah.
that will be right past
Okay.
the thing.
So we're good?
Oh, yeah. Let it down.
About an inch maybe. Okay, stop right there. We'll look at the tranny again.
Right?
Yeah, if I move the car and then,
Yeah.
right. You see, we're so close over here.
Can you get a bolting?
Man, I'm actually trying.
No?
Fucking inch.
Like an inch?
Yeah, go another inch.
Okay.
That's good. One more. Go a little bit more. Hold it.
More?
Stop.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
More?
Hold it.
Yeah.
And right. So
What's that?
it's a little off from the front. So is the body still moving? Yeah. Okay, give me another half inch or so. Still moving, keep going. Oh, look at that.
Oops.
Looking so goddamn close. No more.
Really?
Yeah. Can you
What's that?
pull the car towards the front?
Towards
Yeah.
this way. Coming towards the lake.
Yeah, like you're driving it out of the driveway. Yeah, okay, just, the body's still free, so another half inch and it won't be.
Okay. We're good.
Go ahead, down. Look
that?
at that. You have, is it down all the way?
No.
Okay.
I don't want to go down all the way because the front face is starting to hit the jack.
The what?
The front here is starting to drag on the
Come on, man. God damn it.
What's going on?
Well, it's gotta go a little bit more, hang on.
What?
Got one in.
Okay. Try to get one on the other side.
Yeah, can you grab me, what's that, yeah, a gear wrench?
You want a gear wrench?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, that's all you're gonna
Well, I could do the black one, but I wanna do it by hand so I can feel what it's doing. Just leave those two right there. Okay, what do we got here? Yeah,
do. Going?
give me the gear wrench, please. Sorry.
Not in there?
No, not yet. Hang on. So, So will it go down anymore?
Yeah.
Like a ½ inch. That side over there's got one started. But it's kind of like crooked. I think what's happening is it's going to start setting on that tranny up in the
really?
tunnel, yeah.
Well, see how we're sitting on this right now?
What?
The front of the car?
Is setting on, oh, the cherry picker?
Yeah.
Ah, shit.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah. Lean on this side. There we
There you
go.
go. Did I just get it?
Give me a little more.
Hang on, what's up? Now?
Yeah. Going. You can let go. Almost got it where the front is on. Yeah, front will just start to go. That's a beautiful thing, bro.
That's a beautiful thing. How good it
So I could already pull those
go?
wheel rollers out.
Are the rollers already coming out?
Yeah, this is good. Will come right out. All right, let me go over the other side and do that one.
Nice.
Those two are in all the way up.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well,
So now I get this one in, and then we raise it
Raise
back.
that up.
Raise that up first. Make sure you put these rubber blocks back in.
yeah.
And then we'll raise it with the jack.
Okay.
With the floor lift.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
You want me to push down on there?
Yeah, ain't gonna work. You can try, please. Yeah, that
It's
worked.
good for something.
Yeah, it worked. Oh shit.
What?
I got it. This is not lined up. What?
What do you want to do?
I'm gonna take it loose here. I don't want it all the way.
Why do you do that?
Huh?
Why do you do that?
I don't know. There.
There it goes. Should I try to move the roller a little bit or not? It ain't gonna move now.
It ain't. I'm gonna get these two in. And then we're gonna, these four will hold it in.
Yeah.
And then, so hand me my blue with a 18, please. All right, so we got the engine in. I'm gonna show you a few things that we think would help considerably. These wheel dollies are totally awesome. That's how we rolled the old thing in. There's the new frame. And it went right in. You only got 6 bolts, 3 of them there and 3 on the other side. And the tranny, now we're gonna go back there and put the tranny up. We got that cart down at the local hardware store to help roll the tranny in. That's how easy it was. It was actually pretty damn easy. So, I'm gonna turn it off for a minute and give it to Nick and he can do whatever he wants.
Anything else you want to show down there, Nick?
No, hey, if you ever get a chance to buy these little low ramps like this at a good price, buy them. They're awesome. There you go. That one right there. Like that. But you can't guess what size that is.
13.
That's something. So when is that, are you here?